정말 전발렉스 오야 데네타 이즈볼레 만남식을 보직실린 데네틱스는 어떤 초스군 실체스보 구축 초스단 할래 두는 있어 식 둘만 그러면 데네 겨우 준비 몰라 오케이 야 저한테 두스근 낭진 주간 낭진라 정매 답하는 연부 오야 셈네트네 건축숨 되는 수저자위라마 대구나 답하는 연불 데모 주스 죽스 되는 라포탈 모저트 고메가 간다 시kem 루슬 체세노 시kem 노트네 만남지 그룹 실체세노 책미라래 이 만남지 그룹 저던 조대는 그 페이지 넘버 200개 유튜브 오야 First, we'll start with the refuge. So I request everyone to fold their hands and cultivate devotion and respect to the three jewels, Buddha, Dharma, and Sangha, and to our gurus who have passed away but still remain with us, and those and gurus who are still in human form, walking among us, and to generate compassion for all sentient beings. Manamagadanyam besam shantam je lama sangya chiskis kulash kapsun che Manamagadanyam besam shantam je lama ilons cho zos bes kulash kapsun che Manamagadanyam besam shantam je lamai tog je julbes kulash kapsun che Manamagadanyam besam shantam je lama sangya jimbo chilash kapsun che Manamagadanyam besam shantam je lama sangya chizgis kulash kapsun che Manamagadanyam besam shantam je lama lor cho zos bes kulash kapsun che Manamagadanyam besam shantam je lama tog je julbes kulash kapsun che Manamagadanyam besam shantam je lama sangya jimbo chilash kapsun che Manamagadanyam besam shantam je lama sangya chizgis kulash kapsun che Manamagadanyam besam shantam je lama lor cho zos bes kulash kapsun che Manamagadanyam besam shantam je lama sangya jimbo chilash kapsun che ya judane kezupo dolma karmochi pingsal dolma karmochi don chode be nankuga nibya choika tukle 215 praise to White Tara in this book. Then the one that I've uploaded on Instagram, page number 57. Then this up Instagram kurika upload chokan bo page number ngapchung abdun dekat khale. Sangme there chose borte you do you kushe sang no medani tenia namcho pochi chu singyang padano khale. Namcho potsa bek shu kushe semokle. Ya tene drama karmo komasa drama karmo demo jikale tene tatpa chwazat om jezuma bamandamala chanza lo ko le do dare ma to ta rai jige do tore na wa nam le do ma la ya chanza le do Padma garbe venas bel da vezos que dendenzo dos janzalas do stongel da vendo rajil da wala ni gabdema kena damje yonzo zot banam la janzala do Choro lolo le dande zozan ge gonde yeze deze gone jawe yon pama doma la chanzal kolo karmo ze gar zebga lani yige ga yonzon korve namba jen kolo jen la chanzalo Shenkan damje yonzo daba la rinche medo mangbo jalo dam Tesum sangye damje shketbe yon yum gyordolma kyola chansalo Pama doma donze yon yijin kolo zembelma Lamo kyola zolwani dagi zeye barje dang Nedan dongal damjele neden kyegesh gyabdo zol Chodan tomong ejogon male dalay nang waranze Pama kyola deje bay delay dado bojengong Dagyan kyola zonde ki doje jage zondo zol Lame kondo dande do gijen do ve chaze jen No zozan rinche genge jen zebe darge meo jen Padmal dave deve so shabnye doje shkel tonjo Shalje zanye zomba jen de zon zange shkebe yom Lamo kyola dadon do kyola bazam dod bena Daja janjo dobala dinde nezon janjo bar Mindin jona jigere jen dungen bozo Sobore jo lamo lage yandal dan belol dan gange rabde juj Shodan toran langbore jene jembe minje damjera Dikba damjera do shiva ngendo damjen jamba nido Galwa jewa chade namki nyurdo wame gurvaren gyurlan Dile jewa nine doje zange gomban do den Deye done jabo jimbo dene ban jeyando Suzba dane donsba nikyan janbe rado zelva nido Dendan jimdan do gezere donga Anzone nambara bande semje jimba namla yango nisumal dondong barajon Pondo bene budon jorje nondo bene nonanyin Dodbay damje do barengyola gena meje zos Jom göre jebzun jom denendes ma toje jen dadan daye semjene damje ge Dibni changshenge zo ni nyur zo de zos be sange do parenza do zo Tema toke zera gondo ya la dami leven chodone Tamjadan kempa do barajet bala barja donge remdane lazo Timin che wara gyurba na zo dang mi lang en dan zen mang en ba dang jik bar gya so nye waran ze wa na nyur do she she met baran za do so jik ten le nin des ba yi ta shi de le bo zon zo ba na be shin gyas be do na ma los ba bad me long ge do baran za do so do blar son tam juzum bel wa dang da do kyo do shan jong dong wa dang do nye dong do jang se me ren bo je yarang e da daran be shing e ges baran zo gyal we gyal kora zang shen ga wa der bad mo dam ba shin don ze lesh ge nang wan ta ye gyal we mo sum do long zen ba ya da ye der do jo da ge tse ra bo mo ne do be la te som sang gyal gon gen te les ma Mo jang shal jige chani nyur she ma yum gyuro bala na me da she sho gyal yum dol ki go jen da dang gor dang go ze ze da shen gam dang ki gen zen jo zang bo jen da wa den da go nar das gyur vare sho ke las do chen so wa da pen de da so gam do nas be so jo zo ne de wong pong da zhe she wa dang che dan da jin be wa ren za do so is ko ye shgom pang an zen dang be jel dan song ye shgom pang ga la bing ge ya do ge shgom she zan da dan jin da jin ban bar ma ye da she sho sing ge lang chen ne me zhu lo chong gu na dan ja zhuo gyam zu sha zen jik ba nam Shin zi da we o dar sil we go jip zan da ma yum ge da she sho ya ju den destiny nga tang e gyo chim be mo na bu sil che se nong ju. After that, we're going to read the prayer of Maitreya. Maitreya is the future Buddha. So please open it. I'm looking for it here. Page number 196, the one that I've uploaded on Instagram. Instagram I upload chokan bo gyanang gupchu guruk tukju. Yaldan chokde bina ko zang shodi kya poinok le jibkya sumchu suruk. Jibkya sumchu suruk 436 chokde bina ko hele. Jibkya sumchu suruk. Kari tantan choni am bentan kas pusin ale. Jibkya sumchu suruk. Ottere tik tukle. Jibkya sumchu suruk he. Gyawacham be molam. Sangye kun lai zhang zai lo zhang song la mi den ba ye zhang zhu sen ba nam da ya nyen de nam lai zhang zai lo nyen zhu tam jie do se jien do re lam ne rab de la ga shi me bar den ge ba zhang zhu sen la zhang zai lo Simge wang do gyur be na da ge de ba je ge ba sangye je ngai je ne zo da ge de da jog bore ge da le nam ba som ga ge zo na zo ne ge ba de da ge gon ge za won de da ge jang jo me ze jo 조조 다게 신나zo 상겐 저바 강종와 상겐 김베 예랑와 데라다네 예랑오 딕바 탐제 샤버게 세남 곤라 예랑오 상게 곤라 장자로 다네 예제 조도조 조조 다게 전화zo 잡조 달라 네스바이 장조 셈바 장조조 장조 제버라 골만데 장조 담버 상게 신데다 제베 도도네 쇼자 곤라 멜레도 주스게 앙콜로 스코르 görecek Chunga Jimbo Dayeni Dongale Simjan Tarjesho Kalpa Jewa Samye So Jidon Zajing Shogurajik Dotben Dam Do Jingurajin Ritbe Shivi Dam Jing Ba Jingwa Gungi Jingdala Kanyin Chonang Zikso Sol Simge Jimare Gizbala Sange Namne Momenze Simsha Namla Jando De Sebe Zole Jolvore Jo Zolbe Sange Ganjo Da Gandan De Da Majemba De Da Jezo Da Loje Janjo Jetbar Jogure Jik Paro Chindo Zogene Dodo Simje Dargesho Monshe Jobo Ngene Lame Janjo Regure Jek Mashkes Bada Minjon Da Ranje Manje Nes Manje Namre Manje Wes Manje Dombe Chene Dobare Jo Sangye Chanzo Jimbo Dar Simjan Manje So Manje Taza Manje So Manje Da Manje Be Judo Jo Tanzin Da Kirin Zin Ba Yang Bo Gun La Minas Bar Simjan Gun La Mele Do Sena Manje Jindon Jo Ngobo manje ba dage longjo londo jo Ngobo damje namje be jembe baro jenzo jo Jemge zuljen shgyome jen zuljen nambar Dadang da lose mebe zuljemge Zuljen baro jenzo jo Samyang na jo me longe kamdara mene shing Zubam jowa manje ba zube baro jenzo sho Zonde zambe zonde zge tendo lelo manje shing Taudan dembe le zemshge zonde baro jenzo sho Ashkuma Dawe Ding Zen Dang Bawaran Dove Ding Zen Dang Dorje Dawe Ding Zen Ge Samden Baro Jenzo Sho Nambara Darbe Gozon Dang Dezon Nyamba Nidani Rizong Ozon Gezbaye Shera Baro Jenzo Sho Sangye Gunge Ngaba Dang Dang Sivjem Barwa Dang Changjo Sember Zundizge Dage Samba Zogureje Dedar Jeba Juje Jen Jamba Jadang Lanba Ye Paro Jendo Zogene Sabje Bola Rabne Jo Dedar Gizbe Zonam Bamege Nyalwa Yeda Dondo Lama Ye Ninge Lena Dado Bongjene Gyalwa Jambe Gombanye Gyurejek Galdan Jizge Bojana Gyalzab Jambang Gombojo Sabjo Nasben Jonzaye Shinjo Dero Shkewar Sho Yeah, then it is in a dedication, page number 399, the one that I've uploaded on Instagram. Senam diye damje zekbani domne nyesbe jana bamje de shkegana je bala jogba ye jebe zole jowa jowale jo Jambala bawe jedar gemba dai gondo zambo Deyan dejen de da gonge jezo dalo jen Gewan de da damje rabdongo Chancho zemjo rimbo je Mashgez banam shke gyurjek Shkesba nyamba medba ya gongne gondo pelgore sho gewan de yesh gewo go zona yeje sozone zona yeje le jonwe tambas gonye to per sho 감상 자진래 참여할래 감상 자진래 심바 vibration ale cheese na vibrations na ta chikochi chosel kane jaste zukspeno ko chigyon chumna zis bale kamsang jasin cerca puramet kancha jen tene semba chik skit pocha jen jotpang tezang stoksman ale tene kamsang jasin ne ana nya tene china tezam sercha aso jotpadago jotpa ma stokshin chos chona jotpa zik ma stokshin chosel jespo ma jotpa stokshese la shiginta desanda kuli la chona temje jotpa stoksme dole chosena dojus na jotpa stokshin tene barbare chos banchik silte ngalte jotpa stokse tene tarung hale chik o izuk kashigi chik hale o soljaji matana tene dimbe khora hale tene chik o ya taldas 저 마부 세나 저 방 고속신네 되지 이나 심바 감상 저녁래 만에 그런 우스포브로 상 저녁래 되네 공배는 거직 독스데 만에를 돈데 초식 쓸때 우스포 감상 우스포 심바 감상 우스포 상 되는 게 멋있게 봉줄래 된바 돈 자리스팅이 있다 오호호 아 할래도 이런 집다 자리스팅이 초스초지스 볼래 돈 야르도 샀대나 할래 되는 게 되어는 바하하 대전이 야시겠네 래 때문에 그걸 짜대신데 짜대 너나 남 건적 가지고 밑사다 꿈그란 쪽살래 꿈그란 쪽살 밑 그런 사람이었네 대전 멋있게 동전 예저 다다 메디테이션 section I was just joking about the effect of prayers you know how it calms you so much from to a molecular level you know you can literally feel your entire being being calm. Yeah, your entire being calm, becoming calm. All your worries, your tensions, your body literally just relaxes, you know. It's so nice, the vibrations, especially if you chant slowly with a melody, you know, instead of just running through the text like, I guess it's also beneficial, but, you know, it doesn't have the same charm, doesn't have the same effect as reading slowly with a group, you know. With melody. That's why I prefer to read it slowly. I prefer to read my prayers with people and with melody, you know. And it's so nice. It calms you literally. Yeah, Joe, enough talk. We'll do some meditation. This is a bindu. Yeah, bindu, bindi. I think bindu is like a variation of bindi in Hindi. You know, bindi is the one that women, especially married women, you know, they put on their forehead. And bindu, I guess, is like a round object. That's it. Yeah. So, yeah, look for a round object like this. Izuk shiktsala zat. Yeah, jo dunbeka bora zat. Yeah, jo tatsama kera no mo shime kerle. Then just cross your legs. This is the left. I don't know how you see it from the video. This is my left, not my right. Okay. So put the left first on top. Then you put the right on top of the left. Yeah. Oh yeah, tene back straight, shoulder open, shoulder upper peste, hands right on top of the left. Yes, power you make it. Don't hover it. Yeah, keep it on your in your lap. Yeah. Then what else? Jingbat's a big your just head slightly crooked forward and eyes half shut. Mouth slightly open. Your tongue touching the palate of your upper teeth like this. And that's it. You just gaze intentionally. Mingnas the wishes. The wish will become. Don't think of anything in particular, just be in the present moment. Gaze, and through your intention gaze, you know, your mind will be easier to sit. It will be easier for your mind to rest onto the bindu. If you gaze intentionally, gaze. Don't just look. Don't just see. Just gaze at it. You see it, no? Gaze. Mingnang ziksang le ziksang te mujo ziks. Ziksin jukse storma juk. Storna te nin dik tenole. Tene tapchu teno storma juk he sembazikan po. Mikpong storma juk zamyana mingnang ziksang. Te 다른 이미지 두가 zera zuksla mana. Tezane mingnasta sena koy. Tena zuksla mingnasta khosana kole. गड़ी ने छजने ते वहाँ चितों थोंजने को थोंसों ते नपा ते वहाँ ड्रोजने चितों चितों ने थोंसों ते नपा मिंग नस्ता से मन ये मिंग नस्ता से नपले तो जिनको हिंदी आती है तो मैं हिंदी में थोड़ा सा आपको बताऊं आपके पैर जो है वो पद्मासन या वज्रासन जो भी आप कहेंगे उसमें होना चाहिए आपका पीठ जो है वो बिल्कुल तीर की तरह सीधा होना चाहिए आपका छाती जो है बिल्कुल खुला होना चाहिए ताकि सांस लेने में तकलीफ ना हो आपका सर जो है वो थोड़ा सा आगे की तरफ मुड़ा होना चाहिए और आपकी आंखें जो है वो आधी खुली होनी चाहिए मुंह जो है उसको भी थोड़ा सा खुला रखना है और सांस नाक और मुंह से बराबर लेना है मन को बिल्कुल शांत रखना है हाथ को दाएं जो हथेली है उसको बाएं के ऊपर रखना है और अपनी गोद में रखना है ना गुजरे हुए कल के बारे में सोचना है ना आने वाले कल के बारे में सोचना है दोनों कलों को भूल जाइए और आज और अभी इसी वक्त दृष्टि को जानबूझकर देखना हमने आगे जो आपके अपने बिंदु रखा है उसके ऊपर जानबूझ के देखना है जैसे हम कभी कहते हैं ना वो देखो दूर से कोई जा रहा है कोई आ रहा है उसी तरह जानबूझ के देखना है उससे क्या होता है कि मन को बिंदु के ऊपर रखना थोड़ा आसान हो जाता है नहीं तो मन खो जाता है मन को खोने मत दीजिए बिल्कुल बिंदु के ऊपर ध्यान को केंद्रित कीजिए और बस पलकें झपकने नहीं चाहिए शरीर को बिल्कुल ही हिलाना नहीं है You should not move your body at all. Try not to blink. Gaze intentionally at the bindu. Don't think about what's happened. Don't think about what's going to happen. Be in the present moment. And you. Only 10 minutes. Mind training. Semjanches. तपस्या जो होता है मेडिटेशन जो होता है वो एक तरह से मन की कसरत मन का एक्सरसाइज वही होता है If your mind gets lost, bring it back. And it will. It won't take more than a few seconds sometimes. If you're not conscious, if you're not gazing intentionally. Sembote wa che changura manole. लोग से क्या हो सकते हैं मन को भटकने में केवल कुछ ही पलों की जरूरत होती है मन वापस लाइए और दृष्टि के जरिए बिंदु के ऊपर केंद्रित कीजिए। बिल्कुल शांत, एक शांत तालाब की तरह, बिल्कुल स्थिर। और आपके जो सोच विचार है, मन में जो आपकी दुख दर्द है, जो भी टेंशन है, वो सब कैसे गायब हो जाएगा आपको मालूम ही नहीं पड़ेगा। अपने आप मन शांत हो जाएगा। Whatever discursive thoughts you have in your mind, turbulence, sadness, overthinking, everything will become settled. It's just like if you have a glass of water and if there's some sediments of soil, dirt, and if you keep shaking the water, it will never settle. So the first thing to do is to place the glass onto a table that's sitting physically. Then you just have to let it be, and gradually all our negative emotions will start to settle, and then you'll feel this clarity, this tranquility, which is similar to the feeling of a lake without turbulence, of a very gentle lake, It's just like that. Normally our minds are like oceans, roaring, Forget about everything. Don't concentrate. Don't think about what you're hearing. Keep your body absolutely still. Be disciplined. Simbayang masuk. Chi tsorna. Nyan mayan nomito. Inna simbadina hasta se dukli. Simrang jini jichan. Jiwala nisana jinas. मन को भटकने मत दीजिए। शरीर को बिल्कुल स्थिर रखना है, एक पर्वत की तरह। आपका मन जो है वो अपने आप ही शांत हो जाएगा, अपने आप, बिना कुछ किए। Zikse, chimi yunu suyutna, tsangmanya buchos, kamsang telgu shichang mikya, kashigar kuchis yondu, kashig telaru chang telgu shimikya, chipa nangpa su inang gyagar paang respa ladaspa su ina tsangme chungyan tenakliyo. Exercise 신호래 exercise 심바 감성 자체 exercise 신호래 집어넣은 거 짱 미켜해 혼자 야주 10 minutes done. Finish butsar. Tene samana tujiji. Tene during sange se school stamps pe tujini nok pale. Matlab sange se birthday nokle. So thank you everyone. And today's Lord Buddha's birthday, right? So my request is to accumulate as much good karma as possible It's an especially very auspicious day, and I will see everyone tomorrow, same time. And I will upload the explanation of the two stanzas in English, okay, and maybe in Tibetan, Boti also. So it'll make more sense to you. But if you don't, it is okay. Sometimes it's good to go through some stanzas because some stanzas are a little bit more technical and it requires more preparation, introduction, to some of the technical terms, some of the ideas, some of the arguments. So it's okay. You don't feel, discouraged. The main thing is to be a good human being who lives in peace with nature, with everything that surrounds us, who doesn't harm animals, who, is happy, right? Who lives happily. You have to love yourself. You have to love others. Yeah. But it's also important to love yourself, to cherish yourself. You have to feel, grateful for being alive, to be able to breathe. You have to feel grateful to be able to think, to do something. And it's better if you do something positive. Tsangma semboshkit pochu se jux, jo dena injupika. Teni matang sama sodechan inok tarong, mashelus tenok, semboshkit pochu se jux. Sodechan sambatang yan tenok, las chung yan tenok, chosil yan tenok, jandunji chung yan tenok. Oya teni, jijuchen, simshan gun. Simshan su ina naks tena masa, dikba nok dikpari. Tingin jamani, ramajalu gun, jamu gun, nya gun, tilde mono pale. Chang ngata naks tena mano, korang chuna duwana, korang ria duwana. Korang tena, korin duwana ngata chang naks tena mano kle. Ngatang chanok tuba kurte, ngatang chanok di kurte. Kachu gulinjina, kane kachu gulinjina tuba kurte chanok le. Mana, teni dembel dud susum, dud ngatang sum, mana. Chan gun dud mano. Demon gun dud mano. Coronavirus i kyongkani sanbi gun dud mano le. Dud ngata anok pa. Sanbi ngata so sagi ngata sanbi sus. Mana, tuk salang le. Think like that, Tuk salang. Boy, madu amane khurang khalas. Sambatong le. Sambatang shimma khachin mano le. It's very important to think. Think positively. It's very important. If you can't think positively, forget about being a good Buddhist. You can't be a good human being. Positive thinking attracts positive results. Yeah. Samba yala tanatini, just bugala piano play. Sangma, shkin puchu se jux, ni chone, tuzgun nangjin la shning tapane. Smala mute, sangma la zumo myongches, teni dang. O nubrani teni ngata lomojik zumo yongse tuk zera zoxla tenian tongshia khashiga khalse walse indo zumo tuk zera zoxla coronavirus zumo yongs tuk zera zoxla ngat sorba yale te tsangmala nye teni tsizung sagat menzung sagat yale tengera tsamya chos choza te mata chipa nabasu ina tsangmala shkit poko sanukle musulman jik indo hindu jik indo teni jik nangpa jik indo tsangma mii nukle mata tsangma shkit po magos kan suchi mikya zumo yongse tsangma jik sanuk te tsangmi pes molam tabasa te tsangmi pya o chidi chen korang gyalchi kisama tashling ni molam tabosa no he te kakchen monokle. So we should pray for all beings, especially right now because of this disease, regardless of whether that person who's infected, whether that person is a Muslim or a Hindu or a Buddhist, I don't care. I don't give a damn. All I know is that they're humans, and as humans, in the same way that I don't want to get sick, I want to be healthy and I want to be happy. I know that all the other humans, they want the same thing. Forget about humans, all animals want the same thing. So if you can't practice compassion towards humans first, how can you practice compassion towards animals? Right? So anyway, like they say, charity starts at home. So, we should not discriminate based on race, color, religion. That's stupid, ignorant. Yeah, it just causes conflict. Yeah, I will see everyone tomorrow, 5 o'clock. Tower bol, the Malusani Krishna Gajalene. Someone take care, Julie.